Cure say I'm gonna lick Papi in him face anyway him see him, man. Papi I say anyway him see him I lick in him face and
welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. I will on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe. Just feel no miss out, I don't know the vibes. So I got to talk about where the description of the video say. And so far to all the source where this a come from, it legit. So you don't know, so right now it look like Popcaan and Jahcure in a one different type of beef on the low where Foota Hype decide for load up. So if anything for go on, the people them can aware or do whatever the case might happen. So I'm not gonna see what go on, is it?
remote gate townhouse and go in there and link the person and the person ready for cut on. Cure a war. I say, yo, one man reach and the other in a business and a film business and Papi fi go and go suck him mama and Cure must say wheel off him last, you see me? And the person when they there with Papi must have license gun or something like that and wheel off him license gun and say nothing like that can't go on, a chop up can't go on, a railway can't go on. You see me? And big excitement in the yard and neighbors are peep out and be a thing. And the person where Cure the meeting with and it never worked out. Cut with Papi. And then me say now Cure a link and I tell people say Papi come and me I come this man. Zine I say Papi this man be a thing and then Papi I tell him and them say Cure violate car. Cure shouldn't do what him do and big excitement I go on a yard man. Be a problem. You understand what I say? This is allegation based on information we me received. So me say the two of them at odds right now and be it thing I go on and be Cure say I'm gonna lick Papi in him face anyway him see him and Papi I say anyway him see him I lick in him face and you know the allegations them not sound good, you see me? You see me, the allegation them not sound good. But me just a say but what me I try say see Cure sicker see please me I beg you brother me I beg you remember you not rate no selector you don't like no selector so me include myself in it because me a selector so you go down and like me you go down and rate me you go down and feel like Foota one big idiot see just because of your ego brother get help get help see get help my brother yeah me don't know if you want to go to prison or what me don't know if you want sometimes we have to understand and chill a little bit you know what I'm saying chill a little bit dog sometimes I did us swing over your head or prison in a man you understand what I say so I feel like you know what I mean you know, we have to chill more time, man. You see me? We have to Cure. You need to go talk to a professional. You understand what I say? And anybody there around Cure, where love Cure, anybody there around the singer will love the singer. When you see that video, nobody talk a fuck queen of the artist ears, bitch. But I tell the artist, oh the boy Foota them, oh yeah man, I'm Popcaan them, me and Popcaan no good and me and Cure no good. Me no business about that. But Cure you need to calm the fuck down that. You need to get a hold of yourself before wrong things happen. Before you end up at jail again or Yeah, somebody go at it and then kill you, my you. Come on, dog. Like, seriously? You're one of the greatest voices them we ever hear in Jamaica. You are a legend, my friend. Maintain a thing, no, man. Just relax, no, brother. Calm down, no, man.
Bluetooth mode.
I beg you, brother, please. Alright, you know what weird people? To how me rate Jahcure, dog. Like, to how me rate the man, dog. To how... Your life is a weird something, you know. Life is a weird thing, you know. Sometimes, when you don't know the love and respect where a person have for you, because you're not focused, I make you violate them people. Sometimes you have to stop and look, you know what I say? Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, Papi should not feel come up on your yard to come get nobody out of your house, brother. I run, if you run out the person out of your house, make Papi have to end up pick them up out that door. You understand me, I say? What do you go and say? You know, say, I meet tell every selector go suck them mother and them still a fight for. So you don't have no remorse over what you do. And you now realize, say, all the millions where you have, a selector help make you have the millions. Because really and truly, if every selector and read them, well, read them and a selector anyway. If every selector will stop clear right now, when they send new song, them not look on it. You could have deal. The suffering are going to come, the hungry are going to come. If selector for boy got Jahcure now, all the millions where you have, you're going to start feel threatened. You understand what I say? So, I say, brother, get some help here, sir. Call a psychiatrist or something. You know some of youth where connect you to some serious link where you did one a long time. And man rate you, but dog, you lose yourself, brother. Get a hold of yourself, man. The fuck wrong with you, man? Get a hold of yourself, brother. Me tell you already, come off of the social media thing, you know, brother. Post your music, post when you perform, allow the personal life part out of it, brother. Allow the bag of posting of shoes and clothes and a hype and how you're rich and you. Stop it, brother. Get a hold of yourself. I never say you used to stay, brother. I never say you used to stay, man. Me in a business where nobody wants it. As an artist, Jahcure a legend. Jahcure have some of the biggest hit them in a reggae. Jahcure in demand more than a whole heap of artists. Some place in the world where Jahcure go, nobody no go. See? But at the end of the day, that still don't override the fact say, yeah, do some whole but fuck my youth. Get a hold of your bumbuckler self, my youth. Get a hold of yourself, bad man. Get a hold of yourself, rude boy. Me not like how you go on that. Now you and Papi cool now. You make me and Papi have problem now. You know me and Papi not good neither, but I care zero. I don't business. When me I say you and Papi eat good. You see me? Now you make Papi save other people in mafia try save you from getting a problem and save the other person from. You know if you do that, my youth? Come on, dog. You think me feel good at this? Me just try one day before it's too late, brother. You go either get hurt or you go end up in prison, brother. You understand what I'm saying? I don't think Jahcure broke. Anybody who has said that, I don't know about Jahcure. Jahcure charge a lot of money for shoes. You better, in this pandemic, anybody will lose money. See? So say, him spend and him lose some money. but he's not broke. To say he's broke, I would never agree. Jahcure can't broke so easy. See? Jahcure can't broke so. His money might dip because of pandemic. Everybody money dip. You understand? You understand? Yeah, but if you say Jahcure broke, no, I would never say that. You see me? But he need to calm down, man. The ego and the hype and the something that me nah work with that, you see me? Yeah. So people, are the allegation that right now Popcaan and Jahcure at odds are got it neck and neck. And the reason why I bring this up to the public, come on, the public start to watch it, two of them. Come in, I want none of them hurt them one another. I mean, I want them to no fuckery to end up in prison. That's why I come make sure it's public. So they know say now the whole world are watching them. So now if you calm the fuck down. Because if this just low and go quiet, fuckery I go on. You understand? Yeah. So them not good people. But if you go on them page and go ask them what them have. Seem like when we come under my page and ask me and in a me DM and ask me, you understand? When you go make sure ask Jahcure on that page, where you and Popcaan have? And go on the Popcaan page, got him say, where you and Jahcure have? You understand? Because when it publicized, them can't war again, you know. Like how me make this public now. I know by tomorrow I'll be a newspaper and be a thing, every blogger, everywhere I put it up. Yeah, them can't war again. That's why me I do this. Because me and none of them are a friend. None of them not like me. Because me the man that start my mind and sometimes I clout them too. So them not like me. But me know what happen when things quiet and not publicized. People will get hurt. You understand? Yeah. So, big up on yourself. And the life that's in the night.